missed my bus. So, yay for low quality cell phone videos. There's Hoyts ENTX. I've had a request to show you inside there. Let's go inside and we'll talk for a second. About this place, it's fancy. This whole cinema is fancy. Over there's Joe's garage. Basically the whole bottom level of this place is food courts. There's Nando's. The whole bottom level is food courts. And they have this weird interior design. Like you see this thing here, there's kind of like steps and seats and stuff. There's the main escalator, takes you up there. We'll go up there in a minute. But down the bottom here, just further along, they have all these like restaurants and stuff, and it's all like open plan. There's Pad Thai Pan. A lot of the restaurants are still closed, like there's nothing there. But you look at the interior design of the place, like it's like there's wood and stuff and all these partition panels, and there's very little consistency. It's almost like a jungle. The kebab place down the end there, I got a kebab when the place first opened. Didn't like it all. Don't recommend that. Hanoi Old Quarter. Now you're not going to find McDonald's, Burger King, KFC in here. They've deliberately kept those people out. Let me go upstairs, I'll show you upstairs. It's designed a bit like duty free at the airport. So right here you got your electronic kiosks. If you want to buy your tickets electronically, buy them here. Movie times and stuff up there. Some lounges over there. There's a bar up there. That's what that Lux is there. There's a bar. Oh yeah. And here's like the food area. Yeah, you got frozen cokes there, soft drinks. Take it now. Notice what you're not seeing here down here. There's your like plastic cups and stuff. You're not seeing staff down here, but you've got all your food here. What does this remind you of? Here's your popcorn. This reminds you of duty free in the airport. When you walk through duty free. Ben and Jerry's. That's like ice cream or something. Anyway, that's where you pay. That's the pay station. And then to your right, through there, that's where the cinemas are. Another bar and restaurant over there too, food district. So you get all your food from over duty free, and then you pay there. That's the cinema in a nutshell. Oh, and we're not going to go in, but they got these awesome electric reclining seats there. Pretty cool. Anyway, that's Hoyts. I'm here because I missed my bus, but let's talk a little bit about what's coming up this summer because I am so excited. Now I was going to go to Lindis Pass and Tekapo and stuff on show weekend, but actually it turns out that I don't have a 3-day weekend that weekend. But something even better just happened. When I found out I wasn't going to get my 3-day weekend, because I got like 1 day and then back to work and then 2 days. I applied for 3 days off at the end of November, beginning of December, which Coco and I we're planning to go camping in Omarama for like 4 nights. Now I'll tell you what's special about this. What's really special is this time of the year, end of November, beginning of December, is the peak #1 time in New Zealand to see the Mackenzie Country lupins. There's a bunch of different places you can see them, but you can only see them in basically November, December. and in particular the end of November, beginning of December is the peak time, and that's when the lupins are their biggest, they're most colourful. You know, tourists come to New Zealand just to see these weeds, these flowers. So we're going to go down there. Hopefully we'll get some beautiful drone video. I should have an epic drone video at the end of it, honestly. And this has only just come together in the past few days, and I want to do kind of like a touristy road trip type video. It's like, you know, each episode is going to be sort of dedicated to here's where you can find more lupins. Here's where you can find, you know, more lupins once again. Even as far as Wanaka and as far north as Methven, there's lupins all over the place. So we are going to be in the right spot at the exact best time to see the lupins. Hopefully it should be some good videos. And I've got a few other projects that I want to do kind of on the cards. And it's one of these situations where they're like, we are hurtling towards summer and I haven't made enough plans yet. I haven't figured things out. But I can only do what I can do with enough time. I'll get done what I can get done. Still got projects to do, still got things to do. Anyway, my bus will be coming soon. See you guys later. Oh, one more thing. Mari's Meetup on the 20th of November this year. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.